A tropical treat can save you from the midday slump. Seriously? This simple leaf might be the key to your most energetic summer yet. What if managing your blood sugar also gave you that mid-afternoon boost without the crash? Hello again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hanz MD. Meet the guava leaf, not the fruit, the leaf. It's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. And now, science is catching up. Here's the simplified science. Guava leaf helps your body absorb fewer carbs after meals. That means less blood sugar spike, less insulin overload, and less sluggishness. Plus, it may improve insulin sensitivity over time. That means your body starts using sugar more effectively for energy instead of letting it linger in your bloodstream or get stored as fat. And if that's not enough, guava leaves are also packed with antioxidants. So, while they're supporting your blood sugar, they're also helping your cells fight stress and inflammation. There's even some early research suggesting guava leaf extract may support heart health by helping reduce LDL, or bad cholesterol. That's a bonus benefit worth keeping an eye on. Picture this. You just finished lunch. Normally, you'd be nodding off at your desk. Instead, you're sharp, focused, maybe even ready for a few laps around the hallway. That's the guava leaf effect. And if you're curious how to use it, steep the dried leaves in a cup for 5 minutes. Enjoy it hot or iced. Or toss a little powdered leaf into your morning smoothie. It's simple, it's natural, and yep, it's tropical. Now, while studies are promising, it's always smart to check with your doctor before adding anything new to your daily routine, especially if you're managing a condition or taking medication. So, if you're looking for a small shift with a big potential impact, don't just sit there dreaming of more energy. Sip, stir, and start.